So guys, for the first step, you want to look at your keyboard keys and you want to be looking at the function keys like F1, F2, F3, etc. You want to find the one which has the sound icon on it. Maybe it's locked and you can't press it, so try to click on Fn plus escape, which should then unlock the function keys. You can then try pressing on either like Fn and F3. You want to press on Fn and wherever your speaker icon is on. You can also press on Fn and then click on the unmute button, which should also be one of the function keys. For the next method, you want to make sure that you have hotkeys enabled in your BIOS. To go into your BIOS, you want to go to search and type in reset this PC, click on it. And now once you're on this, next to advanced startup, you want to click on restart now. And then click on restart now again. Just wait for this, which will then take us to here. Now once we're here, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then UEFI firmware settings, and then click on restart. And now once we're in our BIOS, it's going to look different for all of us because we're all using different motherboards. However, you want to find something that says like hotkey mode or just hotkeys. So just go through the tabs on the top until you find something to do with hotkeys, and then make sure that you have it enabled. You could also search up online where to find the hotkeys mode for your specific BIOS. Once you enable that, on the top you want to click on exit, and then click on save and exit again. It will then take you back into Windows, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.